Eto na! Announcement na ng top 5 yung shoot, ang ina. Hala, sino kaya? Okay. Okay, I'll go for Zambales, Iloilo, Bacoor, of course, Quezon Province. Ah! Ang hirap. Oh my God! Oh my God! Hala, kinakabahan ako. Ang ganda ng gown kasi nila talaga lahat. Okay, go! Ilaban na natin to, te. At nag-loading pa talaga! Uy! Hindi pwede. Ayan, bumalik ka na.
Let's go, girls.
We're ready. Wait, am I ready? Okay, I'm ready.
We are.
Yes, I'm ready. All right, the results are in. Okay, so in no particular order, this is Miss Universe Philippines Top 5.
Top 5. Top 5 announcement.
Moarina.
Ayan, no, Diyos ko, ang ganda. Ang gaganda.
Sheldon, they're all yours.
Okay, G.
The first delegate in the top 5 is...
Charis! Oh my God!
Quezon Province!
Ay, puto na si Alice, Atisa Manalo. Of course! Of course, hindi siya papakabog, be. Of course! Atisa Manalo yan eh.
You still have a chance to win the crown.
Actually, kinakabahan ako for Iloilo kasi ang dami talagang magagandang gown at ang galing ng execution. To be honest.
Baguio!
Hala, pasok si Baguio. Oh my God. Kinakabahan na talaga ako, be. Kinakabahan na talaga ako.
Because you are advancing to the final round.
Please, itawag mo na Iloilo. Ibigay mo na. Iloilo, pawakin nyo mo ng mic yan.
Kainta!
Ay, po. Kainta. Oh my God, pero deserve niya din naman. Oh my God, ang lala. Ang lala.
2 spots left, and one of them belongs to...
Ang lala, Zambales. Wala pa si BBB, wala pa si Iloilo. Oh my God. Ha? Bulacan? Oh my God, ang lala nito. Ang lala nito. Hindi ko na nga eh. Medyo ano kasi ako sa gown.
And now, 1 spot left, just 1. Completing our top 5 is...
Sino? BVV? Bacoor?
Taguig!
Ay! Wala si BVV. Wala si BVV. Oh my God. Oh, hindi nakapasok.
At our top 5.
Oh my God.
One of them
In
is
fairness,
going to be Miss Universe Philippines.
deserve din naman kasi ni Atisa. Atisa. Okay, Atisa.
To fulfill the dream
Atisa
of
na.
your favorite delegate.
Atisa na.
Crown tonight when you vote for her in the Miss
Ah!
Universe Philippines app. This is
Bakit
your last
pinasok si
chance.
Taguig?
Vote now.
Atisa na. Atisa na talaga to, dear.
A little more intense.
Oh no, Alvin,
Do you
don't
agree,
bring
girls?
it.
All right,
Ayan.
ladies,
Nagkamali sila ng announce.
where you are,
Charis.
there's no time to rest because about to happen now is
Q&A.
question
Ay, Q&A
and answer
agad.
segment.
Q&A agad.
Alright. Let's do this.
All right.
Okay. Now this
Q&A
actually is my
agad.
favorite part right here.
Exactly.
I get
It's everyone's
nervous.
favorite. Yeah.
I don't
Agree.
know what's going through their head. I picture the pressure.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm sure that you ladies
Diba, nag-loading pa. Nakakaloka, diba? Yan yung sinasabi ko.
are
Oh.
more than ready to...
Parang ayoko na tuloy manood. Charis!
We're giving our ladies the encouragement they need in the top 5 question and answer segment. Is Gel Life by Crystal. And just by looking at our top 5, that couldn't be any more crystal clear because it's a beauty that everybody can see. Encouragement they need for the lucky
Okay.
woman whose destiny favors tonight, she will wake up to a day full of love and life. For the new Miss Universe Philippines, she has no limits and nothing will get in her way. Because a Miss Universe Philippines is a beauty that everyone can see. But for this round, with the colors of Gel Life as your background, it's time to let your wit and wisdom shine through. Right, Alden?
That's right, Ginny. Each of you will pick a question from this acrylic box right here. And you have 30 seconds to deliver your answer.
Now, once your 30 seconds are up, you're going to hear this sound. So make every second count, okay, ladies? We believe in
Hindi ko
each of
talaga
you.
magets bakit
We love
nandiyan si
you guys.
Taguig.
Let's get started, right, y'all? Okay, ladies, good luck.
All right, let's begin the Miss Universe Philippines 2024 question and answer segment. And we are starting with you, Ken Province.
Ay, ayan na. Okay, hindi nakapasok si Iloilo, siya na yung bet ko. Whatever.
Okay, this is a good one. Are you ready? Women learn from each other. What is the biggest lesson that you've learned from another woman, and how did it improve your life?
Oh my God.
My grandmother put me through school. And the biggest lesson I have learned from her is to always be kind. She is
May nag-loading pa.
someone who has a big heart and took care of me since I was a kid. And I do think that my grandmother is someone that I can look up to. She is someone that is an embodiment of what a great woman is. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Quezon Province.
Okay.
Next we have Baguio.
Ay, kainin mo yung Baguio. Ipanalo mo yan. Magaling dito si Baguio eh.
Okay. Here we go. What is your breakthrough or big achievement, and how did it improve you as a person?
Being here in this prestigious pageant, or the Miss Universe Philippines 2024, is my greatest achievement. The Tara before is someone who doesn't really who really limit herself when it comes to her achievements. Where I step here in this Miss Universe Philippines, and I see the transformation, the improvement, and how I was able to become an inspiration.
Kinakabahan
to
sila,
women
under
I am
pressure
now.
sila
And
lahat.
that is something that I will be proud of after this journey. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Baguio. Next, please join me here, Kainta.
Ay, si Kainta. Diyos ko, nangangain din siguro to. Nangangain to, dear.
Thank you. Okay. Women have inspired you all throughout your life. Now tell us about how you have inspired another woman.
You know, I've been told many times that I am too short to join a beauty pageant. But now I realize that pageants
Ay, nag-loading pa siya.
are a representation, a reflection of that very nation. And tonight, I am not only representing myself, but every Filipino woman sees themselves in me. I hope to inspire every Filipina that just like universe, we too are limitless.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kainta. Next is Bulacan.
Thank you so much. All right. You are beautiful and confident. How would you use these qualities to empower others?
As a woman of color, I have always faced challenges in my life. I was told that beauty has standard, actually. But for me, I have listened to always believe in my mother, to always believe in yourself, uphold the values that you have in yourself. Because of these, I am already influencing a lot of women who are facing me right now as a transformational woman. I have here 52 other delegates with me who have helped me to become the woman I am. Thank you.
Thank you, Bulacan. And now, Taguig.
So for Baguio Cainta, so far, for me. Taguig, ito nangangain din to, magaling din to eh.
Thank you. Okay. Ooh, I like this one. What is the biggest challenge you've faced as a Filipino woman, and what do you do?
Oh, di ba nag-loading pa?
To hurdle the challenge?
I think one of the biggest challenges that Filipinos face today are being limited by still being shadowed by, unfortunately, men or in
Diba?
society.
Oh my God, ang galing
With
niya.
my platform and me standing here in front of you today, I can encourage women that you too can stand up. You can be strong.
Diba, nangangain
you can be
talaga
powerful,
siya.
You can own your own destiny like I plan to tonight.
Diba? Oh my God, ang galing niya. Ang galing niya.
Wow, Alden, those are some strong answers.
Great answers, Jenny.
Very quick on their feet. I have to say, ladies, you did a fantastic job. Moa Arena Philippines, that is our top 5.
Moa Arena, these delegates deserve a big hand. And take a closer look at your Miss Universe Philippines 2024 top 5.
Once again, your Miss Universe Philippines 2024 Top 5. Quezon Province.
Hanggang top 5 lang ba sila? Cainta malakas din eh.
Baguio. Cainta.
Diba, nag-loading pa tayo. No, nakadasad ako bigla. Wala na yung Iloilo. Ba yan?
Bulacan.
Medyo nasad ako, pero in fairness, deserve naman nila. Sa gown lang kasi talaga nagkatalo kay Iloilo. Maganda naman yung gown niya, it's just that marami lang talagang mas maganda doon. Ganun lang. Ganun lang yung nakikita ko. Execution perfect naman eh. Or maybe alam mo may format yan sila. Feeling ko, pabalikin nila yan. Pabalikin nila yan next year si, what do you call this? Si Iloilo. Feeling ko lang. Kaso pwede pa ba yun? Pwede pa kaya yun yung tanong? Ay, announcement na agad?
Here are the top 5 delegates of Miss Universe Philippines 2024. Who will be the new Miss Universe Philippines? Let's find out when we return.
Ay, ganun. Alright. Sad naman ako. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Charis!